In this problem, you will find the sums of finite geometric series. What is the sum of the finite geometric series? Part A, 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus 24, and so on, plus 3072. What do you need to find the sum? You need the first term, the common ratio, and the number of terms in the series. The first term is 3. The common ratio is 6/3 or 2. And the nth term is 3072. First, find the value of n. Use the explicit formula for a geometric sequence. Substitute 3 for a sub 1, 2 for r, and 3072 for a sub n. Then, divide each side by 3. (1024) is 2 to the 10th power, so n minus 1 equals 10. So, n equals 11. Find the sum of the series. Now, use the sum formula for a geometric series. Substitute 3 for a sub 1, 2 for r, and 11 for n. And simplify. The sum of the series is 6,141. Part B. What is the sum of the geometric series, the summation of 4 times 1/2 to the nth power for n equals 0 through 20? Find the first term, a sub 1, by substituting 0 for n into the formula. The first term equals 4. The common ratio, r, equals 1/2. The lower limit is 0 and the upper limit is 20, so the number of terms, n, equals 21. Now use the sum formula for geometric series. Substitute 4 for a sub 1, 1/2 for r, and 21 for n. Use a calculator to simplify. The sum of the series is approximately 8.